Namaste. My name is Sarita. Today I will be talking about how to do sun mantra and how to bring energy to sun energy to your life. Sun is represents in your body. It's a solar plexus. So sun helps you to how you shine, your beauty, your knowledge, and powers to others. We all have a sun energy and moon energy and all these different energy in our life. So to bring a sun energy to your life, it's allow you to be soul to be shine. So soul represents the body you have, what type of body you have, and what kind of soul you have. Like your body is accepting your soul. And that's why I always call it no matter where you are, no matter what you do, you always have a pure soul. Sun also means it's a heat energy in your body, and how you are energizing yourself. Energizing yourself meaning by like how you are doing your activities, like everyday activities. If your sun energy is down, then you will be always tired, exhausted, and don't have energy to do things. Even you sleep for 10 hours and you get up and you don't have powers to do things, so or energy to do things. So I always call it to bring your sun energy. Number one, you can chant a sun mantra, which is Om Suryaye Nama, and you can do in your mala. You can do any red mala, you can do yellow, and you can do orange color. Okay, so red is the bottom chakra, the color of the root, and solar plexus. Red is the bottom chakra, like root chakra, Muladhara chakra, and orange is Swadhisthana chakra, and yellow is the solar plexus chakra. So the sun represents red, so sun color is red, orange, and yellow. And so this mala I made has a more like a sun color, red, orange, and yellow color. And to activate your sun energy, you can always put your mala in your palm, like put it on your right here, the index finger. A lot of people say not to touch the mala with the index finger, but you can just rest up here, or you can do in here. So when you do mantra, you can just Om Suryaye Nama, and when you do the mantra, put the beads towards your body. So you can do Om Suryaye Nama, Om Suryaye Nama, Om Suryaye Nama. When you do sun mantra, you can always face it to east, because sunrise from the east, and you get more energy when you're facing to east. To do even when you're eating a food, when you meditate, when you do phone calls, when you do things in your life, especially when you do any special pujas, anything, you can always face it to east. Sun also represents to make your like to who you are. Like a lot of people, when we always said, I want to be doctor, I want to be engineer, I want to be programmer, I want to be this, right? So if you activate your sun energy, and then it helps you to bring your who you are besides your name. And so that means how you shine, your beauty, your knowledge, and powers to others. So that is also sun energy. And Actually, I just wanted to mention, a lot of time yogis or like Dalai Lama, and a lot of yogis, they wear orange color of clothing and yellow orange color like a robe, or like monks, they always have like maroon color, yellow, orangey color, and that also represents not the it's a color of the root or something. It's allow them to be not so attachment of the things you have around it, because we always be we're attached to so many things, in our life, even little piece of things. If we need to throw away or give away, we question ourselves. So having those colors on your body, it helps you to not like detach everything, you want to get rid of everything, not like that. It makes your soul to be pure. So it doesn't matter if you are not making things you are supposed to do, or if you are not having enough education, if you're not having enough, whatever things you think is not enough, So it makes you kind of happy, and because you are not so much attaching things, like we always attach to product, the jewelry, the children, loved ones, so much attachment we have. And so having those orange, yellow color, I call it sun color, helps your soul to be pure, and so you don't have so much attachment to lots of different things in your life. If you are not attachment to a lot of different things in your life, so it makes you happy. And because for example, if you want something big, a product, big things in your life, like big cars or big home or anything, so if you are not so much greedy attachment or something, then it makes you happy. You are okay with it if you have it or not, and that's why in Nepal and India, a lot of parts in Asia, when people died, they put an orange cloth around, or yellow cloth around them, around the top of the body, and that represents your soul to be free, when you died, so you don't trap in the earth, and so it makes your soul to go where you need to go, and that is also sun energy. Sun energy, it's a great healing power. So we all have a healing powers within us, and a lot of time we need those, because not every day and not every time our body is the same. The age we aged aged different times in our life. So when you're having some pain, when you things in your body happens, then I call it sun energy. It's really important to have that in your life. So you can always do Om Shuryaya Nama. You can do offer a sun or water every Sunday. Sunday represents sun energy, so you can go outside of room and face it to outside your home, or you can do from balcony, or if you live in high-rising building, or you can open a window or door and bow to the sun and offer a water. So every Sunday you face it to east and offer water to the sun. Whenever offer you water to the sun, then it's nice to do early morning when sunrise time. And now these days you can look it in your phone what time it's sunrise. But if you don't have to do that, you can always do in the morning time. You get up and take shower, have a clean clothes before you have coffee, though, before you have breakfast, before you eat anything. Offer water to the sun, and you can put an intention what you want to have for that day. Or if you want to send a healing powers to someone, you can do that too. Or if you want to heal yourself, and you can do that also. So there's so much power. Whenever you put a water to the sun lights through the water, and there is the light sign to it, you get that energy. So when you get that energy, it makes you feel really good. It makes you feel a lot of good energy, and it also makes you your things if you feel like stuck or anything happens, it feels like things are going to be open for you. So those are really good. We always talk about how to cleanse your mala. And I always talk about full moon and put them outside, and you can cleanse your mala and full moon and all that. But sometimes you don't want to wait until full moon and it's snowing and I can't put my mala outside and all that. So I always call it put a mala in the sun, and like you can take your mala to the sun energy and just bow to the sun, and energy from the sun, it could purifies too also. And we all know we get vitamin D from having sun, right? So that's also good too. There's so much more, and the healing power of the most important is it's a stomach, it's your digestion. I call it, if you have a good sun energy, or if you chant Om Shuryaya Nama every day, and you don't have to do, like, if you don't have time, you don't have to do 408 times for each bead. You can do maybe 21 times, or you can do 27, like Om Shuryaya Nama, Om Shuryaya Nama, Om Shuryaya Nama, and it will allow you to be, your stomach to be, we call it, you might not have to take a probiotic for your stomach, digestion issue can happen. So or we call it helps your core, like who you are, self-confidence, self-love, self-worth, and makes you stands out, and I think that is really important. And we can always, we always can change our destiny. We can be whoever we want to be, and what you want to be, you will be that person if you work hard, all that. I always call it sun energy, makes you what you want to be besides your name, where you want, what people want you to, what people think about you, and it also helps that to be, and helps that to be who you are, to bring that sun energy. When you wear something, when you do something to your body, we always thinking, oh, somebody did not comment me how beautiful I look, or somebody didn't say my hair looks good, or my clothing is pretty. We always think like if somebody comment you, then oh my gosh, I got so much comment when I wear this mala, when I wear these shirts. I don't think you should look for that, because you do things for yourself, like what makes you happy, what makes you beautiful. It's really important, and some people think maybe they don't like the red color, or some people may not wear yellow color. Maybe your favorite color is yellow. I always say, listen to yourself, listen to your soul, and so do things that what makes you happy, and that is also represents sun energy, like how you shine, how you interact with the others, how you present yourself out in the world. A lot of people have a fear just to get in a camera, just to talk to people, and a lot of people say, I'm not good enough, I don't have a highest degree, I can't talk, I'm not a good speaker, I'm not I don't have education, I don't have money. People always hold back. I said, don't hold back. You can always share what you have. You can always give what you have. You can always do things what you're capable to do, you know. Bring that your creative ideas to surface level. Be shine, you know, and somebody can get benefit from you when you shine your beauty, knowledge, and powers to others. And so it's pretty powerful, sun energy. And sun also represents father, and or father figure or father. And we all talk about DNA and all that, you know. I don't want to go over that, but you can always respect your father, love your dad, love your dad figure. However, it helps you to bring who you are to, and brings your solar plexus. And some people say, I'm adopted, I don't know my parents. It's okay, you still have a father figure, something. And so represents that. The sun is a right side of body, and moon is a left side of body. So having, if you want to bring more sun energy, you can always wear some reddish, yellow, gold color. It's also sun. And you can always put things on your right side of hand too, like jewelry or gold or copper or brass or something. And actually in a hand, this right finger, right hand, and this finger, the ring finger, and a right represents sun. Left side represents a Venus. Okay, and you probably know that. The pinky is a Mercury, the middle is the Saturn and Jupiter, right? The index is a Jupiter, and Earth is the thumb. But usually we go right, left thumb, it's a Earth, right thumb, it's a Mars, and these ones are Jupiter finger, and Saturn, and Sun, and Venus, and Mercury. So everybody has a different way of doing things, but that's what I learned. My website is called prayermala.com. If you like to order some sun mala, and I have quite a few malas there, and I'm still adding few more. Sun stone is anything that red, orange, coral, garnet, red jasper, anything that carnelian, anything those, I think those are all sun color. But a lot of time I do more for sun color is citrine, and I do tiger eyes, and more like yellow than red. But you can do probably jasper will be fine too. And this mala has a red jasper and yellow, orange, all those colors. Okay, thank you, and namaste.